Wow. Butter. You know what it is? Can I really make perfect caramel at home without burning it? So you spread your sugar around your sufuria. In my case, I'm using a sufuria. You can use whatever you want or whatever you have to make caramel. So you're making caramel today. This is season 1 of caramel, episode 2. We had already done episode 1, and this is episode 2 of making caramel flavor. These are different caramel flavor, and I want you to watch carefully and see how my ingredients are going to be introduced one by one. After sugar, you see how that sugar is melting, but wait until you see the final texture. Let me switch. The color is changing fast. The color is changing very fast. The color of the sugar is changing very fast. This is the dangerous stage where it can burn instantly. This is a very dangerous stage where it can burn instantly. So you make sure your sugar has burned and turned the color. Then we are going to use Blue Band. I'm going to add a spoonful. This margarine. You mix thoroughly. You mix it. Make sure it melts. It melts as you mix. Do you see the bubbles? See how the bubbles look like. Amazing. Amazing color. Wow, golden. So it's shining. It's very shiny. So our margarine has actually melted almost over. It's completely. Listen to that bubbling sound. This is the exact moment the sugar is beginning to burn into deep golden caramel. Wow. Can you see that? Wow. So one last ingredient. One last ingredient. But wait until these two ziive. You see this? And one thing, caramel is not dry very fast. Caramel dries very fast. Like if I do this, it starts drying immediately. So if you give it like a few seconds, it dries up. Adding milk. So after adding milk, you stir. Make sure you stir until it starts to, the sugar, caramel, milk and butter are well mixed all together until you see nothing is attached to your pan or your sufuria. Yeah, I think I put too much of milk, I think. No, it's okay. You can always add sugar or any flavor that you've used if you feel like one has overpowered the other during your mixing time. Like this is the mixing time. Understand? Yeah. Caramel. So let me add some margarine. I want it to be so sweet. See how it melts. I want you to see how it melts. See how it melts. By the way, do you know caramel can go from perfect to burn in less than 20 seconds? Caramel can go from perfect to burn in less than 20 seconds. That's one thing that you should know. So you should be very keen anytime you're preparing your caramel. Make sure it doesn't burn, because it takes very short time to burn from perfect. See how I'm doing? Let me add some sugar too. Some more sugar. Ugade kitu mabima, ukisikia kincho mjunu najua ni kuririma. Ugade keys to mabima. Ugade keys to mabima. Wewe mtoto mzuri, ni wewe. Ni wewe mtoto mzuri, ni wewe. Wow. Do you see that? I can smell the aroma. Fire burning, flower burning, sweet aroma. Fire burning, flower burning, sweet aroma. Wow. I can smell the aroma. It shall smell so nice. This is a mixture of milk, sugar, and butter or margarine. So just few seconds, it's almost ready. And if you want to know your caramel is ready, you'll always see the color trying to change into some dark brown, something like, yeah, you know that it's now ready. Like ours is almost just few seconds. And this is a poor man caramel that tastes expensive. There we have it, guys. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. So this is our episode 2 of caramel, and we have successfully made our caramel. See how thick? See the thickness? Get a spoon. Feel the thickness? It's very thick. So this caramel you can use in bread. You can use in making popcorns and so many other that you may want to use with caramel. Thank you for watching. My name is Jayuga, and check me next. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye. Bas. Sasa kama wewe ni mtu unapenda mautamu, mautamu. This is very sweet actually. You should taste. Wow. And watch out for episode 3 of caramel. Bye bye.